Should I remodel? Hi everybody, I'm Jody Cordell from Spence Properties again, and today I'm going to share with you 5 home remodeling projects that will bring you the highest return. Number 1, replace your roof. This is a big one. The cost is generally between $5,000 and $8,000. It could change depending on how big your house is and how much roof space you have to recover. However, if you go ahead and change your roof, you will avoid inspection issues and you're going to attract a lot more qualified buyers. Make sure to list this as a selling feature in your MLS listing. Number 2, install new flooring. Hardwood floors are in. Plus, you can't go wrong with classic hardwood flooring. Am I right? The cost for something like this usually ranges about $5,000 for about 2,000 square feet. But if you prefer to spend a little less money, there are other awesome options like laminate and vinyl flooring that will run you way less, around $2,000 for the same square footage. The best part is you're still going to get a great return on your investment. Number 3, install a new garage door. This sounds really simple, but the cost for a new garage door is between $800 and $1,000, but it adds huge points in your curb appeal. And speaking of curb appeal, number 4, landscaping. You can install sod yourself for about 50 cents per square foot, or you can hire a professional to do it for $1 to $2 per square foot. Either way, you're going to get a huge return on your investment. Your yard is a huge selling feature and it should really look its best. So if you install a new yard and then you work on the landscaping around the house, like trimming the shrubbery and installing some flowers in your flower bed, you're going to attract a lot more buyers. And number 5, it's the easiest of all. Repaint your interior walls. Just make sure they're a neutral color. The best part about repainting your walls is it's a nominal fee. You could probably repaint your entire house for less than $500. It's an easy way to invest a small amount of money but see a huge return. Impressions make a big difference. Buyers want to know that you cared for your home. And seeing that you've taken such good care of your home will put buyers' minds at ease. I really hope that you found some great value in these tips today, and if you did, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Jody Cordell with Spence Properties, and just remember, it's my mission to help you live where you love and love where you live.